Alright, so the other day they had Claritin, a new brand, a new variety. And that's what started all of this. I had some runny nose, sinus. The thing about these is they're chewable now. They don't I'm not talking about the ready tab that dissolves on your tongue. That one's got its own personality. Something very uncharted. And the ones I'm talking about now are the Cool Mint chewables. I don't know if you can focus on that. And, well, it's definitely like swallowing a piece of Cool Mint bubblegum. I used to chew bubblegum. It's not like pinching your cheeks or anything, but it's it's definitely not like the Ready tab. I haven't used the Ready tab, and I think the Ready tab is more easygoing. Yeah, these chewables. Well, nothing beats having your first prescription. So what does antihistamine have to offer you in that small world of taste? Well, it's definitely one of the newer products available today. And that's it for now.